Okay, so we're gonna do the fridge trend and see if it actually works. Cause I've been seeing it up on YouTube. Well, where you put your phone in the fridge at a party. I'm gonna test that out right now. Uh, and I'll say it was fake or not. And it's real. I don't know. Okay. I'm not sure if it was real or not. But next, I'm sure I'll tell you if it's real or not.